In diagnosing this problem, the first thing I notice is a white dot here and a white dot here and a white dot here. Those indicate that there are missing connections. So let's go through and analyze this file. I would expect to see a midpoint between this line and the origin, so I'm going to add a midpoint between the line and the origin, and all of this turns black now. And then I'm going to either trim off these points or add coincident. So I'm going to do a coincident. So I'll do coincident this point to this line and this point to the line, and then I have the two centers of these arcs. I'm going to make those coincident to each other, and then I'm going to go through and make some lines collinear. So I'll make those two collinear, and so I'll make this one collinear to this one. I'll make this one collinear to this one. I'll also make those equal. So I want the length of this line to be equal to the length of that line, and the length of this one to be equal to the length of that one. With that, everything turned black. If there is something that still doesn't turn black, grab hold of endpoints and try dragging them, and that should give you a visual indication of what you need to do to finish constraining your geometry.